So we're in the Samsung booth with Breon, and Breon, tell us and show us this all-in-one Samsung unit.
Sure, so here's our new Bespoke AI laundry combo. This is a 5.3 cubic foot unit. It is the largest on the market at the moment. We do have our new AI home display here, which has been incorporated into this all-in-one combo. So think of our AI family hub there.
Okay.
So imagine anything that you can pretty much do there, you can do here. So if that consumer wants to watch YouTube, they're able to do that there. So it has a built-in speaker, built-in microphone as well, or let's even take it to the next level, like me. So pretty much if you want to listen to Spotify, let's say this is in a basement, you're able to do that as well.
And I see it's up on a pedestal so we can get it at the right height.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So it does have that pedestal as an option for that consumer. It has that extra storage at the bottom, but also raises the unit up for them as well.
And this is a nice, clean area for detergents and the lint filter?
Yeah. So our lint filter is housed here. And what's going to be unique about our particular system is we do have 100 nozzles in the very back, and those nozzles will spray after every single cycle to ensure that any lint is not clogged up in the very back, and it'll just drain right out the back as well.
Okay, so detergent-wise, I see bleach.
Yep.
Where's the detergent go on this unit?
So bleach does go here, it's housed there, but as far as detergent, we house them right here. So we have two, a left and a right here, and you're able to do up to 47 loads of detergent as well with this particular unit. So think about setting it and forgetting about it, essentially.
Great feature, great feature. And this can all be controlled via the app, correct?
Correct.
Samsung's app?
Via Samsung SmartThings app, correct. So you're able to start, stop cycles, even see energy usage as well from this particular unit.
Great. And these are readily available?
They're readily available.
Do they come in any other colors other than the stainless?
It only comes in the dark steel at the moment.
Perfect.
Correct.
So you can have any color as long as it's dark steel.
Yes.
Breon, thank you so much for
Absolutely.
showing us this new piece.
Yes, thank you.